into my mind when you are talking to me. So, like that, this motivation is something, according to me, it can be externally motivated. Of course, I have spoken about the Newton's law, all the three laws actually in this book, which is external motivation, which can be applied as an internal motivation also. That is Newton. And our friend was telling about the cricket, the hard work, and actually that was a well-known thing which Mr. Kapil Dev was said, that hard work and motivation is an essential factor, whether in business or other things. Okay. And our friend was telling about how that cricket I have said about all these things, but actually I didn't mean all those things which are on the surface actually. I was telling about the boy who was telling everything about the cricket, ready lecturer on the cricket, but he doesn't know. Suddenly I called and asked him, tell me the names of three Indian scientists. Then he started telling Einstein, Newton. Then I am saying they are all foreign names. Then he says CV, sir, CV is like that. And I am telling it is sir CV Raman who found out Raman. I am telling that he is not worried whether the ocean is blue or the sky is blue, but he is very particular about the men in blue. So that cricket chapter is indicating the passion aspect which you are telling me. So I am basically focusing about that passion aspect, also the cricket. And just Mr. John was telling, I still remember the days when he because we were staying somewhat near sir actually. Like in the evenings he usually come to our he makes a walk back, or I will make a walk across, like we will meet somewhere and walk, come back and take some, or there is a bench in our shop actually, we will sit and play chess there. At that point of time, he was, I strongly agree with what he says, he was not very good in chess at all. I happened to be, later I was the bank's testing also, he was trying to go to bank chess team. Yeah? But he had a very beautiful thing. He has got a highly absent-minded. Once he started focusing on the 2 or 3 squares on one of the sides, he will forget about the other 64 minus 4. So whenever I want to go to toilet or take some tea or something, I will take his king and put in my pocket. And after some time, it so happened like when I come back, first thing like this on the whole black and white boards mixed together one after another. Then he will ask, where is my key? Here it is. Okay. So we had, in the story I had been telling about, at those times in our places and all, we were not having the chessboard, so we were taking the bread pieces, actually frying it up and cutting into pieces and making the chessmen and putting the king, queen, pots, rooks, whatever. That I have mentioned because it was my practical experience, or which reflected in my mind when I was writing. So that is what John was telling about, that kind of friendship which we were having. And before I tell about that, I think I should tell about something which he had been telling about one girl of yesteryears, like, you know. I was very fortunate that whichever exam, in fact, when I remember about exam, I remember about Mr. Sadiq Gangadhar, who is one of the most respected person as far as I am concerned. Basically, not because he is sitting in a particular chair, but the knowledge and aroma of humility which he carries around him. He is one of the most knowledgeable person. Anything you ask on foreign exchange, he will tell anything ask what other aspect. Anything other thing. Added to this, his human nature is so good like. So when we were competition laborers at one point of time, moving from one college to other, like at that time, I know him, he's a very nice person, okay, coming back. And after this, okay, okay, I will come back into that. Then, so many aspects of life has come into my thinking while I was writing this pattern, and again going back to this girl which he was mentioning, like there only branched off into this thing. See, the story didn't end there. He was telling, he gave me he told me, you write some good short stories or something like that and put in the in the office where the girl will see all those things actually correct. He told. But he was making me a tool so that he is seeing whether what he is telling is very much applicable or not, so that he can practice somewhere else. Something like that. I didn't know that I was a tool but his basic problem is, but his basic problem was, if he writes something on humor, everybody will cry. And if I write something other than humor, people will laugh. That was a situation. We had this one. So whatever you see at that time, I remember it was on Good Friday actually, and a Good Friday, a small drizzle like a train was there, and he was standing in one of the shops, and I was moving around along with the procession. I just backed up and met him. Actually, we started talking. Then he had, if I remember correctly, he had published a short story, Takarne Oru Durga Kshetram. And the last sentence was, Takarna Oru Durga Kshetram Avasarathe Spandalum Nilakinu. I just quoted this. He fell flat. Normally nobody reads this or something like that. I don't know why he became very fascinated with me. And we became so strong friends. And at that time he said, when you want to chase a girl, he gave me a trick. This is for all, we are all old people, but he has told me still you can tell. Yeah? I know. Otherwise we can tell our children also. He said, whenever you want to attract girls, you have to say very sad stories. Karayipikkanam. Nallavonna karayipikkanam. But I cannot write it, so I have written something. He has put it some this thing. So I am again coming back into the story when he has. That was the situation at that point of time. But from that bank, I had got an appointment in the Reserve Bank of India. So he has put the desperate Joseph into the Jayanti Janata. Jayanti Janata and all. I went with all these. So naturally, particularly for the Kerala, you will not leave it like that. Now the conductor would when I reached there, I joined the Reserve Bank of India. I was posted to DAD. Then Reserve Bank has got a magazine. Sir, he has got a magazine called a house journal without reserve. And in without reserve, I thought
you have won prizes from Cluster.
Yeah, we do get. In fact, continuously we are getting. So what has happened is, I thought this lady likes only English, I don't know Malayalam. Why don't I write some English stories and put it is without us? Okay? So that I can put and send across by post or otherwise to this office, and I already told somebody to watch the activities of this lady. Before I learn English, before I do this thing, she should not get married off, something like that came into my mind, I don't remember now. Okay. So I put one, that one I just, Reserve Bank is very curiously very strict in certain items, the word used, this used, that used, like that, everything you will put on this. And they published that. I was so glad I took it and all. Like at that time my friend there was telling, what the lady was telling was not correct at all. She speaks only Malayalam actually, she was just telling that she is only knowing English. So she told all of us, what's the way I thought like, so I wrote that without reserve in and kept it in my house in Malapalli. So while I was writing this story, after such a long time, when suddenly I got a call from my caretaker at our native place, your house is burgled, and we went there, and that poor fellow didn't get much because you don't stay there for quite a long time. So he ransacked the entire shelf and all. He pulled out his without reserve, which I had kept as a memento there to show for the future generation, which I kept there. And it has come out, and when I came, I saw this. Then I thought I have written very nicely, why not I write it? This was another ardent motivation. We started from this very small motivation that a spark at that point which Mr. John has created in me, which was spread in a wildfire, and finally I thought I will try it. And that is how, if not, I will search the Shakespearean quotations. Because I have found to my amazement that Shakespeare, in this I have put Shakespearean quotation from all the 37 plays and one poem, this I would again come back and say this I was able to do while I was posted in RPCD, one of our department, rural planning and very department is conducting outreach activities with the blessings of our earlier governor and our we had a meaningful financial program in Ernakulam district. So generally I was traveling in this Janashatabdi in the morning or the evening. While going, these quotations and all these things usually wrangle in my mind. Because of the chess play, I was able to arrange them accordingly. As many as 289 quotations are there. Nobody will notice it how I merge it in the whole thing actually. So there are certain cases who have the talents, but it is not generated out, or it is talent of course remain latent. That's why it is inverted perhaps, and it has not come out like. But this travel made me. My position in SNTC made me write like this. So I am very proud of the Reserve Bank of India for that matter. That is why I was telling our Salim sir that he should come and do it, and I requested you, but I never thought he will throw a bombshell like this. Okay, okay. Anyway, coming to this aspect of a few more minutes I can take, sir. Then coming to this aspect, I thought how the character should be created. So I had thought about a psychiatrist who is telling something, because I always feel when we write something, it should be readable, and there should be a utility for it. So I would like to say that if we can put a humor of Malayalam, the speed of our Hollywood and the glamour of Bollywood, perhaps the visual appeal of the Hollywood into the writing, all these mixed together, that will be very appealing actually. Like he was telling, I have put smaller version somewhere actually. I have very purposely put at that time, because I found the thing is going a very concrete shape or similar line. So I want to loosen it. That is why in certain places. And regarding the three quotations I put so many times, I was just thinking whether it is necessary. Personally, I like only one quotation, but I thought this is also very applicable. For example, attitude, you said so many things, but it's not directly going into attitude, but other parameters of attitude. So that is why it was going into that. Then this pie for, thank you sir. Okay sir, it heard me. Regarding the selection of Dr. Pai as the name of that person, I remember when we were in the college days, there is one Dr. K.N. Pai. Okay, sometimes or other we will hear in the newspaper that Dr. K.N. Pai has some minister is under the treatment of Dr. K.N. Pai. Then we are extremely happy. You know why? Almost 50% of the people which Dr. K.N. Pai has touched will die, and we will get some holidays. Because only those acute cases will go to Dr. K.N. Pai, and they will die, and we will be very happy one day in advance, like tomorrow the holiday is coming. So this Pai has got impressed in my mind, and there is another reason. When you read very thoroughly, you will understand. Pai is an acronym for another thing: Pakistan, Afghanistan, and India. With these three friendly countries, will form a good match. I thought PAI. So that is the Dr. Pai. Then coming to this, the second Father Carbon I have put. That is because I thought fathers are teaching. In fact, there was a Father Carbon in the St. Thomas College, which he have nicknamed one of the father. For him a name I was searching. One day when I reached Trichur, I found one Thakol Karan Aspired or something like that. I was searching for a name, so Thakol I got. So I put Thakol Kootam. All fathers will have a name at the end, something like that. So I put Father Chariya and Thakol Kootam. So when I put this, none of the priests will appreciate without a Cheru or Valia or something. So I put Cheru Thakol Kootam. Okay, like that was the name. Then it turns to Father Carbon. When you read or you happen to read, you will understand why it is so. Then Sahasranamam, another name I have put, which finally becomes oxygen, which my son has shown us double bonded O in this, because oxygen does not stand like, that is double.